Hi all, good morning. Hope you are all doing good. Today I have devised pipeline construction and installation KPI or Key Performance Index report template related to daily stringing, strengthening, lowering in, welding progress and rejection rates. Assumption in this template, this is divided into three street areas. First, street 1, it is starting from kilometer point 0 up to kilometer point 11. Street 2, starting from kilometer 11 up to kilometer point 23. And the last one, or street 3, starting from kilometer point 23 up to kilometer point 34.250. I divided the street area by two main disciplines. First, piping discipline, and the second is civil disciplines. Okay? In each discipline, this is consists of stringing progress, yes, and then visual inspection, radiographic tests, and then coating or wrapping progress, and percentage progress in die-in, and also count in joint, and rejection rate. This is and in the civil discipline, and advancing progress, lowering in progress, backfilling progress. This is same also to the street 2 and the street 3. Okay, and in the below section, any grand total of all progress. Yes, in the piping discipline and the civil discipline. Okay, this is general about this template. For the more detail, keep watching this video till it finishes. Okay, see you. Okay, as I mentioned in introduction video, that's I have devised pipeline construction and installation KPI or Key Performance Index report template for daily stringing, trenching, lowering in, welding progress and rejection rate. Here it is, the template as seen on the screen here. As I mentioned previously, it is template any 3 street area. Yes, here it is. Street 1, starting from kilometer point 0 up to kilometer point 11. Street 2, starting from kilometer point 11 up to kilometer point 23. And the last one, street 3, starting from kilometer point 23 up to kilometer point 34.250. Let me discuss more detail. Each street area I divided by two main disciplines. First, piping discipline, and second is civil discipline. Okay. Now, for piping disciplines, any stringing progress, visual inspection, radiographic tests, coating and wrapping tests, progress, percentage progress, percentage rejection rates, and then for the civil disciplines, any advancing progress, any lowering and progress, and backfilling progress. This is same also to the for the street area 2 and street area 3. In the below section, any grand total or actual for the piping discipline, for the stringing progress, and then for visual inspection, radiographic test, coating and wrapping progress, rejection rate in percentage, progress achievement, percent progress achievement, and for the civil discipline and advancing progress in meters, lowering in progress section, any curve for daily welding production. Okay. Okay, so this template consists of 5 worksheets. You can check here. Yes, this is any daily welding progress, and then weekly welding progress, breakdown for staging progress, and then breakdown for fencing progress. Okay, in the staging progress record, any curve below, any curve below equipped for this progress report, and same also for the fencing progress record. In the below section you could see its curve, its progress curve, and this is same also for 5 lowering in progress record. In the below section you can find its curve, its progress curve. Okay, back again to the seat of this template. Okay, in the piping discipline, any stringing progress, this is any quantity of pipe. Yes, progress mentioned in quantity. Yes. Okay, and in the below you could see accumulative 5. Yeah, accumulative 5. Yes, this is, you can check it itself any formula therein. Okay, like this. Okay, so means this is any K20. You can check here K20 plus with L19 here. Yes, progress. This is also for this for the formula therein in the cell. This is any L20 here, L20 plus with M19 here. Yes. Okay, this is also for the other cell here. Before we discuss it in more detail, this report templates for 1 month progress report. Yes, you could see here this is any MY and D1. MY stand for month year. You could adjust it, fill this cell as your project manager. D1 means day 1. Okay, day 1. You can check here until day 30. Okay, until day 30. Okay. This section, yes, D27, D28, D29, D30, this is for the previous month. Okay, you can ignore it, but we just display this for sample purpose only. This is okay for the piping discipline, for the staging progress. Any 5 quantity. Let's say we have 7.5 for the stringing. Yeah, 7.5 for the stringing in the day 28, and this is accumulative cell. Yes, this is accumulative cell. You could check any formulation therein. Okay, for the day 29 we achieve we achieve 57.5. Yes, 57.5. So the accumulative become 64. This is also for the other cell. Okay. This is for staging 5 progress in length. Yes, in length. Okay. And this is any 82.3. Yes. Okay. This is this total is taken from 7.5. Sorry, taken from 7.5 75 12. 12 means a length for each 5 is so 12. Yeah, 12 meter. But the actual is become different. Yes. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yes. 84. Yes, 84. But the actual is only 82.3 because the actual pipe length may different as we predicted. Yeah? As we predicted. Okay. Okay. Now, any visual infection progress? Yes, visual infection progress in die-in. Okay, in die-in. Okay, we check here. So this cell contain formulation therein that you can check here. This is any cell K26. K26. If you check here, you could check here K26. Yes, that's good. K26 multiplied by 24. 24 means because the diameter 5 is 2 and multiplied by length estimate or average length of each 5 is 12. 12 multiplied by 2 means 25. Okay. Okay. And then any joint. Yes, any joint.